Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is IoT levels and the deployment templates. Today we are going to discuss about the what is meant by IoT levels and how we deploy the templates. Let's get started to our video. Okay, first we are going to know about the what is the introduction of this IoT levels and what are the levels we are going to discuss in this video. ఇక్కడ IoT level 1 to 6 we are discussing. Next, actually IoT system compromises of the following components. Those are nothing but the IoT devices, resources, service controls and controller services. Next, database, web service, analysis components and applications. ఇప్పుడు మనం each and every component can be explained over the first IoT device. An IoT device allows the identification, remote sensing, activating and remote monitoring capabilities. When we go with the resources are the software components on the IoT devices for accessing, processing, storing sensor informations or controlling the activators which are connected to the devices. Resources also include the software components that enable the network resource access for the devices. Next, we are moving to the controller service. Controller service is a native service that turns on the device and interacts with the web services. Here the control services sends the data from one device to the web services and receives the applications from web services to the control devices. Next, database can be either local or in the cloud and stores the data generated by the IO devices. Each and every sensor data can be stored in those databases only. We are storing all the data in the databases by the IoT device. And next, web services. Web services serves and link between the IoT device, application, databases and analysis components because it's a major part included here. Web services can be implemented using the HTTP and the REST principles. Here the REST services are using the WebSocket protocols or web services also. And next we are moving to the analysis components. In analysis components, this is the responsible for analyzing the IoT data and generating the results in the form of user understandability techniques. Here we are analyzing the whatever the data we have stored in the database from the web service, whatever the data we have collected from the web service to which are placed in the database can be analyzed by using the IoT data generated results. These are we can analyze them and we'll make a note, we make a generate the results that should that can be understand by the each and every user. Here we have the applications which are nothing but the IoT applications. They provide the interface between the user and used to the control and the monitor various aspects of the IoT devices also. Here these applications allows the user to view the system status and the processor data. Overview of the applications can be done over here. This level we are going with the local app. We are using the local app and whatever the data we have received over here can be stored in the database either in the cloud also. Here the only node that performs the activating and sensing and storing the devices will store the devices of the local app, and whatever the data device activating also can be stored over here, whatever the user data can be stored over here, all can be analyzed and stored in the cloud also, either in database or in the IoT level 2. In IoT level 2, IoT system has the single node that performs the sensing or activating and the local analysis. Here also we will have the only single node, monitoring node that performs the analysis, and the device is stored in the cloud. In previously also device is stored in the cloud, but when we come with it directly stores into the cloud, and it's a cloud based applications also. In level 2 IoT systems are suitable for the solution where the data involved in the big. The local system can be like this. In cloud there should be the apps and WebSocket services, databases, all can be stored in the cloud. In local system it consists of the control services, resources and devices. Here the primary analysis requirements is not computationally intensive and can be done locally. Okay, first we are going to know about the what is the introduction of this IoT levels and what are the levels we are going to discuss in this video. ఇక్కడ IoT level 1 to 6 we are discussing about. IoT level 3. In IoT level 3, IoT system has the single node. Here also there is a single node. In level 1, level 2, level 3, we are seeing we are using the monitoring node is 1, that is single node. The data can be stored and analyzed in the cloud. In level 2 also the data can be stored in the cloud, and the application is here also the application is cloud based. The IoT systems are the suitable for the solutions where the data is involved big and analysis requirements are computationally intensive. This is also similar to the IoT level 2, but here there is a communication line between over here, and REST app and REST API or WebSocket communication can be done between the database and the app. Some of the examples of the IoT level 3 are sensors used at the accelerators or gyroscope, or tracking the packages. We can track the packages also by using some of the. Next we are moving with the IoT level 4. An IoT level 4 system has the multiple nodes. Here we are going with the multiple nodes. Previously, before the IoT level 4, IoT 1, level 1, IoT level 2 and IoT level 2 has the single node and data can be stored in the cloud. But when we go with the IoT level 1, we won't store all the data in the cloud, but when we go with the IoT level 2 and level 3, the data can be stored vastly in the cloud storage only. Those are IoT level 2 and the level 3 are the cloud based models. Now when we go with the IoT level 4, the level 4 IoT system has the multiple nodes that performs the local analysis. Here the data is stored in the cloud and the application is also a cloud based application. Here we are using the multiple nodes, so we'll use the multiple control services, resources, devices, etc. And those are observed nodes can be also connected to the REST services, and these app, these can be stored in the observer node and app also. All the data can be stored in the database and in the cloud storage also. Here the local and the cloud-based observer nodes which can subscribe to and receive the information collected into the cloud from the IoT devices. Here the IoT systems are the suitable for the solutions that where the multiple nodes are required and data is involved big. There is a lots of nodes, multiple nodes can be involved here. So data is also a multiple. Next we are moving with the there is no multiple independent nodes but only n node can perform the sensing and activating. Here the coordinator node collects the data from one end and it sends to the cloud only, and data can be analyzed in the cloud and the app can be over here. So it's also a cloud based one, and it is suitable for the wireless sensor networks, for example Wi-Fi, all those things, and we can analyze the next. Actually, IoT system compromises of the following components. Those are nothing but the IoT devices, resources, service controls, and controller services. Next, database, web service, analysis components, and applications. ఇప్పుడు మనం each and every component can be explained over the first. IoT device. An IoT device allows the identification, remote sensing, activating, and remote monitoring capabilities. When we go with the resources are the software components on the IoT devices for accessing, processing, storing sensor informations, or controlling the activators which are connected to the devices. Resources also include the software components that enable the network resource access for the devices. Next, we are moving to the controller service. Controller service is a native service that turns on the device and interacts with the web services. Here the control services sends the data from one device to the web services and receives the applications from web services to the control device. Once again, and in next topics we will go with the some more topics, requested topic. This is the most requested topic from my viewers, and whatever the requested topics from the viewers I can make them within a short span of time. Thanks for your support guys. Please do subscribe to my channel and share to other your friends. Thank you.